Morning, you lovely lot. I've got a multifunction vacuum cleaner, handheld, and you can charge it with a USB. Easy. £5 with £2 postage package. And I'll show you how to pick up this mess. Well, not how to pick up this mess, but show you how it picks up and how good it is. I've just spilt a load of biscuit on the floor. God, it's brilliant. You can use this in your car, on your back mattress. Brilliant. And you've got to get onto the nitty gritty bits in your car or down by the side of the sofa. So, I'm still picking up bits. But yeah, brilliant. You can hear how powerful it is as well. £5, bargain. And if you're interested, I'll link it down below.